I found your picture in my wallet. Still got your sweater in my closet. I'll bring them by, maybe tonight. And people asking how I'm doing, but every question still has you in. I say I'm fine, and I never think about you, but you're always on my mind. I'm getting over you, whoa. I'm getting over you most of the time. If I say it like I mean it, then maybe I'll believe it like it's true. I'm getting over you. I've been playing all the songs you hated. I called a girl I almost dated. She's not the one, but I'm having fun. And I'm better off without you, and I think it's what I want. I'm getting over you, oh. I'm getting over you most of the time. If I say it like I mean it, then maybe I'll believe it like it's true. I'm getting over you, even if it takes
I'm standing on the bridge, I'm waiting in the dark. I thought that you'd be here by now. There's nothing but the rain, no footsteps on the ground. I'm listening but there's no sound. Isn't anyone trying to find me? Won't somebody come take me home? It's that